Oh, big crash on the straight. Huge crash.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Otterville Nitro Blast, and this is the end of the A1 Nitro Truggy. We're going to record the A2 E-TRUGGY.
This is the last 40 seconds of the Nitro Truggy A. Simon Halal has him on a 50-second lead.
Oh, flame out, flame out, flame out.
15 seconds. All right, E-TRUGGY A2 start.
Thanks, Brock. Appreciate it.
Good job, guys. Please move the 10 car up a little bit. Please move up the 10 car a little bit. E-TRUGGY, AMAIN number 2. Chance to crown our first electric champion of the Nitro Blast. Corner marshals ready, drivers ready. We're racing on the side of the tone in less than 5. Here we go, drivers. And bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Full start.
Now.
Restart 2. Through that first section, I know things happen. If somebody spins out, it's their fault. But you have 10 minutes to make passes. That's at least 22, 23 laps worth of running. I promise you will not lose the race in the first corner. You definitely can't win it in the first corner, though. Corner marshals ready, drivers ready. E-TRUGGY, AMAIN number 2, goes live on the tone. Nicely done, guys. Much better.
Oh my God. Yeah, mess.
Nice and clean in the back, guys. Nice and clean in the back. Got a good job up front, though. Here we go. Nice start for Kyle Robinson, trying to claim the win. Oh no, Robinson in trouble on the S's. Spoke too soon and to the breaking to the lead. And 12 seconds. Kyle third.
Oh, big crash from the sweeper.
Adriano, Clayton, B-Life, Drake, top 9, followed by Stiggin, Trey Hart, and Landry. And John to the lead now. And there's Kyle at the second. So Andrew falls back to 4th. Johnny Crash in the 3 spot. That's the race right there. Inside pass. Robinson back to the top.
I used to go around to couple times he started calling because the paint job was December. He's calling, I'm like,
oh, big crash on the straight. Huge crash. Whoa.
He's telling me around me, and I'm like, they're not anywhere close to me. I'm calling the wrong car. So it might have been.
Running second, followed by Johnny Cash, Andrew Blakely, and George Wigginer from 9th to 5th. Nice run so far. Followed by D-Line in that 6th spot. 7th is going to be Blake, followed by Clinton, Mike, and Steve, top 10 is Adriano and Tony.
Where did they go? How much did they Kyle?
Antoine tries to deny Kyle a championship. Kyle's trying to drive back away here. Here they come. One quarterback, only 15 to go. Robinson 26-1. Antoine 26-5. Oh, watch the two guys, careful. Clear. Nice job, Peter. 2 down, 8 to go. Here's Antoine, Lindsay, Johnny, George, your top 5. Big race back to the field right here. Looks like a change for 4th. Clinton going to take it away. I think 5th rather away from George. 7th going to be played, followed by Treyharn, D-Line, Steve Stiggin, Adriano, all lined up and pick on back. And it's still going to be Kyle out front. Leading Antoine by just a second here. Antoine goes running up that straight. He's saving it now. Kyle Robinson, all in front, trying to win the race here at E-TRUGGY. Trying to do it in 2 minutes. You want to live around every part of the 3.
So then you're
still going to be Crash 3 votes with 3 to 5. Followed by 6 race break and 2 live 7. 8's going to be Wiggins and 9 to Stoneham. 10th is again. 11 is right on top of the 12.
He's probably decent. Is it deep? No,
Driving away now, 3.4 seconds. 3 down, 7 to go.
That's too hard sometimes, kid.
Robinson tries to win in number 2.
All right.
Overall, Peter, love to sell in number 3. It's Kyle, Juan, Johnny, Andrew.
Like a runaway, but it's not. It's actually just driving.
Stephen Klein, 11 12.
Only my brain, my eyes, and my fucking hands going as fast as that. You're 13, right? 13?
Followed by third spot, Crash Green, they're going on for complete time.
39. When I
Crash
started,
trying to hold on a very quick reservoir contact and look out though.
when I started, I was 3.5. First time I ever done
Still
size older than you are
got
now.
Robinson leading the way.
Yeah, I'm 40 and I got my first start 2 years ago.
On the top 5.
But I stopped coaching his hockey.
3-9-6, 27. Followed by Jay Henry, Phil Krieger, that great time out. Jay Henry, again, Casero, Andrew, top 12.
We built into a hobby shop.
Under 6.
So you really got addicted.
Robinson leads now 4.8 seconds. Then it comes to the keyhole up to the double-double. Nicely laying over Kyle. Might as well that long table, dragon track. Right up straight right, Stephen Knight, lead double. They're having a big mistake, they're going to fall down to 10th spot. I don't think one mistake, one was up in the 5th spot, now on the 10th now. But once again, Kyle tries to get down. It's pink, blue, white, who's going to lead, guys. Second place being in the yellow and red and black and white of Philadelphia. Appreciate courtesy, guys. That's up next to these Steve again. Guys. Robinson still leads by 5 seconds here. Playing the championship in E-TRUGGY. Philadelphia wants the same courtesy, guys. It's Shorehorn and Pacerno next. Thank you very much. Philadelphia going to try and give a fair shot here for the double-double for the second place.
Yeah, while I was racing, I should have.
1:45 left to go. Nitro, Buggy, finals next.
While I was
45 minutes.
While I was racing, I actually thought to myself, which is not when I should be thinking about it. I was struggling.
Robinson, Villanelle, Cash, Berkeley, McNerney, Wiggins, Seguin, Kagan, Eli, Treyhart, Samuel Landry.
I was in Buggy A. I was actually thinking, geez, I should have told you guys, you could have brought it up on the phone.
But
I we were walking along with while I was racing, not something I was thinking about, I thought.
When we were laughing at your racing.
There it goes. You can only get within about 6.3 seconds here. Second place gets around Big Eye. Tries to.
Stands very
You
straight
guys
up.
thank you.
Well,
I heard you say that.
Second spot.
Well, yeah, you're not supposed
by
to
7
pass
seconds.
out.
So Randy and Pepsi going by about 15 feet. Those guys down
People
to
at
30
concerts lost their knees
Randy's with by
pass out. That's why your feet are taking.
I have to do it because my knee gets too long.
Yeah, I know.
I can't.
They actually tell you specifically at concerts to not do that. You'll black out. It'll just happen out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's probably.
But at a concert, it's like.
Nitro drivers, please hold outside the racetrack. We have 3 back-to-backs. We will not take one in sanitary.
Here's Adriano making the bump to the A. Let's track him for a little bit. Oh, big crash.
Second round, here we go.
This end. So I ended up having to watch.
Kyle Robinson out in front.
You haven't seen him.
By about 9 seconds here.
I saw one.
Still flying up behind Klein. Kyle Robinson
Lost him.
The other ones over there is Ninja Nelly.
Still right back through this.
That tree's there.
Robinson, he's cruise control right now.
What Mom was telling me, because I saw they exploded batteries. And then she told me about the tree, but I was trying to figure out which one it was.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Billy the Tree, Ninja Nelly. What's the other one called again? This one has its own face.
2:15 left, guys. It's still Kyle by 9 seconds over on Klein. Followed by Andrew, Johnny, Blakely, Kyle, against Steve, Joey, P.I., Clinton, Mike, Tommy, and Adriano. The full rundown here. 2 to go. Robinson 2 minutes away.
Somebody's deaf.
Kyle doing an awesome job.
That car going around there.
Just has to keep the wheels out of it. Keep the electronics in that car. Trying to find a national gas championship here in E-TRUGGY.
That's crazy. And that might actually
Kyle, Swan, Andrew, Johnny, Blake, Steve, George, Clayton, B-Line, and in like the top 10. Currently we have the top 4. Not going to leave anybody else down one more. That's like Clayton struck with Michael Grogan. He's wrestling around now. 1:30 left to go. It's still Kyle, Swan, Andrew. Kyle tries to wrap it up at 2 minutes here. And a minute 15 left in race number 32.
like nobody else. He never ever stopped. He did it completely unnecessarily. Yeah. And he was
Robinson now leads by 9 seconds. Here he comes. One more time. Working his way down the back straight to the center of the keyhole.
trying to talk to him.
Oh, he's got
Gotta stop.
He's only about Adriano.
Not fucking fancy.
55 seconds left to go. Still in Con second, into third. Johnny and Blake in top 5. And Steve, George, B-Rock, Clayton, and Mike, 6 to 10. With 45 seconds to go. 2 laps to go for Kyle Robinson. 2 more. Rachel Devin, please take the next. Mark, please do not represent to all drivers there, please. Thank you.
And I mean, he was
25 seconds left, 25.
gaming days when I first met him.
So we're going to try to hold up Johnny. That's what he's in third and fourth. We're going to let more lap. 20 seconds left to go, drivers. Robinson on his right climb. One more time for Kyle Robinson. Here in E-TRUGGY. He's taking in 2 minutes.
But yeah, he's not surprised.
Clock ticking down. 5 seconds left. Adrian Johnny getting racing the line. They will not go one more time. Adrian will finish up in third. Johnny fourth. Nearly come to home. George for 7. Clayton's going to finish 8th. B-Line tonight. Here comes Mike. Here comes the winner. He's your track champion. And what we go on to congratulations.
Nice. 1A, 1A2. That's your winner, Kyle Robinson.
All right, Chuck Cranston, C5, all right, Blake, George, Clinton, C-Line, all right, Mike, and Adriano and Tommy Landry.
So I got 2 waters. I think this is 45 minutes.
I
wonder why you asked.
Alright guys, enjoy the video. Hit that like button if you're new here. Subscribe. You want to talk to me? Comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.